Yo, H-Mac, nice with the rhythm, nice with the shine. When I rhyme, I glisten. Every single freestyle I spit stays hitting. Rappers claim they on my level, dog, they must be kidding. Yeah, when I rhyme, I rip the phrase. I'm trying to sell more records than Kid and Play. H-Mac, next level, I came to holler skills. I'm freestyling just to get the $100 bill. Yeah, all across the planet, they bout to remember him. Just from these bars, I'm about to get the Benjamin. H-Mac, y'all know I'm never play for the dummy. In LA where it's sunny, but we don't ever do it for the money. Yo, this ain't for the cash, it's for the passion. That's the reason why me and the tracks never clashing. Any instrumental, I'm about to smash this. I'm throwing shine, that's why they need these sunglasses. Yeah, H-Mac, man, I rock for the fans. Lyrically, they calling me the man. All off the top, I don't even need a plan. He's rocking the Gucci's, he's rocking the Ray-Bans. H-Mac came through to vocalize, but these might be nicer, dog, cause they polarize. Yeah, when it come to lyrics, I'm the #1 rhymer. Polarized Ray-Bans or Gucci for the designer. It's all Gucci either way, cause when it come to lyrics, they know Mac don't play. Yeah, I shine like the sun, but I see with 20/20, so I'm sipping out them glasses. I'm sipping on the Henny. I'm getting twisted off the lyrics, drunk off life. Every time I rhyme, I'ma bring the funk on sight. H-Mac, when I'm rhyming, they know that I'm vibing. That's a moment of silence, yeah, but I'ma come in with the noise. Every other rapper, they be getting destroyed. Y'all can't attack this, no label to back this.